The story begins in Singapore, where we see a 38-year-old woman named Ling who lives with her husband in her father-in-law's house. Ling's father-in-law also lives in this house. He is suffering from stroke and is unable to speak. He remains in bed most of the time, so Ling takes care of him. She has also hired a maid who does the housework. Actually, Ling is a teacher in a language school where students are taught many types of foreign languages. Ling teaches some boys to speak Chinese in this language school, that is, she teaches Chinese language. Ling remains quiet most of the time. She did not like to meet anyone. Her husband used to stay out most of the time due to work, due to which the relationship between these two was not good, because Ling had been married for 8 years but she had not become a mother yet. Ling always wanted a child, for which she always expected that she would definitely have a child. One day she will have a baby, so she usually goes to a gynecologist for medical checkup. Today when Ling comes to the gynecologist for a checkup, she is told that she is recovering and can become a mother in future. Hearing this, Ling feels a little better. Then while leaving the hospital, she meets a 21-year-old boy named Niu. On the way, this boy is Ling's student whom she teaches Chinese language. Liu had come to the doctor because he had hurt his leg while he was taking training in Chinese martial arts. It is raining outside, so Ling asks Liu to sit in her car so that she can drop him to his home. Liu agrees and sits in the car. Ling finds out that Liu's parents are abroad for business and he lives alone here. The next day, Ling is in class where she takes a test of some boys. After checking the test paper, she finds out that many boys are learning Chinese language. She is weak in Chinese, so she decides to take special extra classes for those boys. Liu is also one of these boys. Then she sees the Ling in the class. Bosomed boys are not at all interested in Chinese language, and one boy even jokes with her, but she doesn't say anything to him. Then when she comes home, she sees that her husband is bathing his father, but when Ling asks him to give her the towel, Ling is late in giving it to him, on which her husband starts abusing her. Then on TV, Ling sees that there is a riot in Malaysia and people are protesting against the government. Ling quickly calls her mother who lives in Malaysia, but her mother says that it is good that he is not here. The situation here is very bad, but he is absolutely fine. Next day, when Ling is taking an extra class of Chinese language for selective boys, her brother comes to meet her, so she goes out for some time. Her brother used to sell durian fruit, but he could not earn enough to run his house properly, so he asks for some money from Ling, which he will return soon. She gives him the money, then he gives her some durian fruit which Ling brings to the class. She sees that only Liu is in the class. When Ling asks him, he says that everyone has left because they have no interest in learning Chinese. She asks him why he did not go. He says that his father has a business in China, so he has to learn the Chinese language so that he can expand his business here. Liu is looking at the durian fruit that Ling has brought. She asks him if he is hungry. He says yes. Then both of them cut the durian fruit and eat it happily in the class. Then Ling drops Liu home in the car and then comes to her house at night. Ling's husband comes home after drinking. She says that she had forbidden him from drinking. He says that he had to drink with the client. Ling wanted her husband to try again for a child, but he says that we have been trying for 8 years, not anymore. Saying this, he goes to his room. Actually, her husband was not happy with her, and for many years there was no physical relationship between the two like husband and wife. Next day, Ling gets a call from her husband's sister who tells her that she has given birth to a son, and in celebration of which she has organized a party at her house where everyone has to come. After this, all three get ready. Then Ling's husband leaves her and his father at his sister's house in the car and leaves. He says that he has some work, so he will not be able to come. Then Ling comes home with her father-in-law, where many people have come and the house is looking good. Then when Ling takes the child in his hands, he starts crying. Then Ling's husband's sister takes the child from his hands and a woman taunts Ling that he does not even have a child. How would he know how to take care of a child? Ling feels very pained on hearing this. The next day, Liu comes to Ling. His leg is now fine, so he is going to start training in Chinese martial arts. He asks Ling to change the time of the extra class of Chinese language because he has to go for martial arts training at that time. She says what will happen to the other children. He says that no one else comes to the extra class. Anyway, Ling agrees to this and he is very happy. One day when Ling is taking Liu's class, she gets a call from her husband who asks her to go home because her father is alone at home and he is going somewhere for work. After this, Ling brings Lu to her house because her class was not over yet. She asks Lu to sit in one place, but he is roaming around the house. Meanwhile, he meets Ling's father-in-law who is on a wheelchair. Ling tells him that this is my father-in-law. When Lu is studying alone, Ling's father-in-law teaches him through gestures, which makes Lu feel very good. He eats with them and goes home. The next day, Ling was getting an operation done in the hospital so that her chances of having a child increase. She calls her husband before the operation, but he does not receive the call. Then the operation is done. After a few days, this report comes. Then Ling learns that her operation has failed, and when her husband comes to know about this, he starts distancing himself from her. He thinks that Ling cannot give him a child right now, so he does not treat her well. Their relationship was just nominal. There was no love between them at all. Ling also understands this. After the operation fails, Ling becomes even more sad. She remains sad even in class, and when Lu tries to talk to her, she does not respond much. Then one day, Lu tells Ling that he has a national-level Chinese martial arts competition in which he is going to participate, so he wants her to come to see him. Then on the day of the competition, Ling comes with her father-in-law. Lu performs very well and comes first, which gives him a gold medal. No one from Lu's house came to support him, so to celebrate this victory, Ling goes to Ling's house with Lu and her father-in-law. They go to Brothers Durian Fruit Shop where they eat durian fruit. Here Lu is lovingly feeding fruit to Ling's father-in-law. Ling feels very happy seeing this. All three of them looked like a family. Then while going home at night, Lu and Ling meet. The father-in-law falls asleep in the car. Ling looks at Lu lovingly because she had so much fun after a long time. One day when Ling is returning home after shopping, she sees her husband with another girl. She understands that her husband is cheating on her. She comes home crying, but she does not tell anyone about this. After some time, when she goes to her father-in-law's room, he is sleeping. She asks him to wake up, but when he does not wake up, she understands that he has died in his sleep. After this, relatives of Ling's husband come to the funeral of her father-in-law. Here the woman whom Ling had seen with her husband also comes with her son. She has come to pay tribute to her father-in-law. Seeing this, Ling feels that her husband has also secretly married and this son is hers. After a few days, Ling comes back to class where a boy is harassing her. Then Lu hits that boy with the book. Then Ling takes Lu's extra class. Lu is very happy to see Ling after a long time. Then when Ling is dropping Lu home in the car, Lu's nose starts bleeding. As soon as she reaches near her house, seeing this, she gets scared and brings Lu to her house where she asks Ling to wrap ice in a cloth and put it on her nose. Meanwhile, both of them come close to each other and Ling is unable to keep himself away from her, but when she realizes that all this is wrong, she starts leaving from there, but Lu comes to drop her down in the lift. He holds Ling's hand inside the lift itself, but Ling stops him from doing so. After this, when Ling is taking class, Lu keeps looking at her as if he is attracted to her. Whenever he sees Ling alone, he tries to touch her. He often starts following her, but Ling stops Lu from doing all this by slapping him. Then when she is dropping him home in the car, he starts touching her. Ling stops him from doing so, and in this meanwhile his car meets with an accident with another car, after which a man comes out of that car and scolds Linger and says that why did he go out with the car when he doesn't know how to drive. That man's car has suffered a lot of damage, so Linger has to bear all the expenses and also his own car. The next day, when Ling is returning home from work, Lu follows her on the bus, sits next to her and holds her hand, but she stops him from doing so. Later, when Lu is in martial arts training, he is watching Ling's pictures on his mobile. Some boys see this and snatch the phone from him, which leads to a fight between Lu and him. When the principal of the language school comes to know that Lu has fought, and he also comes to know that there are many pictures of Ling in Lu's phone, the principal calls Ling to the office and shows him the pictures of Lu. These pictures were taken at different places like school or when Lu went to her house. Lu is surprised to see all this. Here we come to know that Lu has liked Ling for a long time, and since then he was taking pictures of her secretly. The principal tells Ling for a few days. He gives her leave and says that if there is anything going on between them, then they should end it right there, and suspends Lu. When Ling is about to go home, Lu sits in the car with her. She tells him that they cannot continue this relationship. Lu is heartbroken to hear this. He gets out of the car and goes to get drenched in the Rainlin follows him and Lu hugs Lin while crying because this was the last time they were meeting. After this, Lin divorces her husband and she tells her husband that she will live with his new wife and son. When she takes a pregnancy test, she finds out that she is pregnant, which makes her happy, but she did not know whose child it is, her ex-husband's or the child's gender. From here she goes to Malaysia to her mother for a few days, and with this the movie ends. Friends, thank you very much for watching the video till